vitamin C serums be used on dark skin? Okay, this is a question all my dark skin peeps are like, I've been asking me, my subscribers, can I buy vitamin C serums on TikTok and everything? Now, I've also had this like idea in my mind, vitamin C has brightening ingredient and that will affect our melanin. We do not want to brighten our skin in any way. We want to maintain our skin color, make it like really hydrated, nourish it, keep a healthy skin. So we don't do bleaching on this channel. So let's just address this issue. Can vitamin C serums be used on dark skin? The answer is yes. Vitamin C serums can be used on dark skin, and here is why. So hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Cherish Cogs, and I'm a dark skin beauty influencer. I help dark skin people maintain their complexion, embrace their complexion. Okay, basically on this channel we just do everything dark skin related, beauty, lifestyle, everything. So if you feel like if that looks like something you're interested in, feel free to subscribe to this channel. So let's just go to the main topic. Okay, so the question is, what is vitamin C? Okay, now vitamin C is an antioxidant, okay, that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Okay? So what are free radicals? Okay, let's check a definition by Google, okay, to aid better understanding. Okay, now free radicals are atoms or molecules that have unpaired electrons in their outermost shell. These unpaired electrons make them highly reactive and unstable. To stabilize themselves, free radicals will try to steal electrons from other molecules, which can lead to a chain reaction of damage to cells and tissues. That's a lot of things, Abby. Okay, so let's break it down. Now think of free radicals as muscular troublemakers, okay? Now that cause havoc in our bodies. Do you get that? Now they are formed as natural byproducts of various cellular processes such as metabolism, immune responses, but can also be generated by external resources. Like basically you can get in contact with these free radicals by external sources such as pollution, radiation, like certain chemicals basically. Okay, so now vitamin C serums helps to protect your skin from the damage caused by these free radicals. If you do not understand that term, I think you should actually read more on these free radicals. Okay, I think the umbrella name is just free radicals. Okay, so now what is vitamin? Let's go back here. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from damage caused by what? These free radicals. So basically these free radicals cause aging, dark spots, like a lot of things, like basically breakouts on your skin. So we are done with that. So now let's talk more about vitamin C serums on dark skin. So basically vitamin C serums are beneficial to all skin types. Basically even if you are dark skin, light skin, the vitamin C serums can be beneficial to all skin types. Now what can vitamin C do to your dark skin? How can vitamin C help your skin? Why should you use vitamin C serums for your dark skin? Okay, so let's take this down. Listen and you get the point. Okay, what can vitamin C serum do for your skin? Why should you use vitamin C serum as a dark skin person? What do you even need vitamin C serums for? Okay, now vitamin C serum can help brighten and even out your skin tone. Okay, now it can make your skin appear lighter in some cases. Okay, so in its natural sense, vitamin C is a natural skin brightener actually. Okay, it helps to even out your skin tone. It also helps to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. You know hyperpigmentation now, excess melanin on some parts of your body and all, and the appearance of dark spots. Why do you have dark spots? Because your skin is healing and it needs melanin first before it actually everything saturates and become okay. So vitamin C can actually help to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Is like really effective for these things. Hyperpigmentation, which like a lot of us experience, like we go through these things. We dark skin people face a lot of hyperpigmentation issues, and also if you have dark spots, vitamin C can help. Vitamin C is not a skin lightening agent. You cannot say, okay, I'm using vitamin C because I want to brighten my skin. In traditional sense, it will not change your skin color. Okay, it only brightens it like a bit. Okay, it will not change it. you can't go from, because I'm using vitamin C on my face, the pigment or my melanin will not just change from this really really dark skin to like something very very bright. Do you get that? Okay, so vitamin C in its natural state, natural sense, will not lighten your skin. But if you want to incorporate vitamin C serums into your skincare routine, you should know that you are incorporating these things to address specific skin concerns like hyperpigmentation or dark spots. And as a dark skin person, or dark spot, or like we also have dark under eye. I think my under eye is really dark. So if I'm using vitamin C serums, if I'm using a vitamin C serum, I have this one. I purchased it recently. This is I don't know, it's a very PME or something. Okay, it's very very popular. This is it. This is what it comes in. If you get into any, will I say, supermarket or something where they just sell all these things, like, this is a serum that is very very popular. Okay, this is a vitamin C serum and it's very very affordable. You can get it for less than 2,000 naira, 2,500 naira. Okay, so if you are using vitamin C serums or a vitamin C serum on a dark skin, I suggest that you use it on places that you want to improve, or like, just imagine your dark under eye, you concentrate on this part. Okay, your dark spot, concentrate on that part. Your hyperpigmentation that you want to become better, you concentrate on those parts. Okay, so in conclusion, okay, just generally, vitamin C can affect your skin, depends on, or can affect you, depends on your kind of skin, and also the concentration of vitamin C, kind of the brightening agent, whatever it is, the concentration. If it's higher than normal, it might be like very very bright, so you should take that into consideration too. So overall, if you want to incorporate this into your skincare routine and you're not sure, you're not clear based on this explanation and everything, feel free to see your dermatologist and you'll be fine. Okay, so that is that for this video. I really hope I was able to enlighten my dark skin queens on what vitamin C serums can do for your skin, and that's it. So if you'll be incorporating it into your skincare routine, make sure you are incorporating it into your skincare routine because you want to treat specific specific skin problems like dark spots and everything. I do not use this every single time. I do not use every single day. I have another serum that I use on my skin. This is argan oil facial serum. I use this on my skin like every single time, but this one I use it like basically once or twice in a week, not every day basically. And I'm using this because I want to address like specific the most popular one, or the most visible one that you can see. You may not see it through the camera, but my under eye is dark, not so dark anyway, but I would love to have it like look like my skin tone. Okay, so that is that for this video. I really hope and I know that I was able to convince you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. My name is Cherish. Bye.